Are you trying to change the time on Windows 11 but getting an error saying you do not have permission to perform this task? Don't worry, there are a few things you can try. First, open the Start menu and search for Terminal. Right-click it and choose Run as Administrator, then click Yes. Now type netuseradministrator/active/yes and press Enter. Restart your PC and sign into the administrator account. Then go to Settings, select Time and Language, and open Date and Time. Turn off Set Time automatically and try changing the time manually. If you can change it now, the issue was most likely caused by account permissions. After you're finished, open Terminal as administrator again and type netuseradministrator/active/no to disable the built-in administrator account. However, if this is a work or school computer, your organization may have blocked users from changing the system time. In that case, you'll need to contact your computer administrator. Personally, I'd try the regular settings method first and only use the administrator account if necessary. And that's how you can fix the permission error when you can't change the time on Windows 11.